When you're ready.
So this is the urban farm for PS 126
Right?
at the elementary school.
Terrific.
Here is the greenhouse that we built today. We basically put the bars of bamboo and put all the holes together so it can stay together. Here is a sub-irrigation planter. You have your soil at the bottom and water, so that way put enough water in here so basically we don't have to keep watering it. That way if there's enough water in the bottom all the way up, then the soil is getting nutrients for the plants and seeds and everything already. So. Here is kind of the same thing. There's beets, carrots, lettuce. There's a lot of vegetables in there, and we watered both of these.
This is
that side too.
More beds, the soil and for watering, seeds, vegetables, that kind of stuff.
when will they be ready?
Well, we're gonna they started harvesting last Tuesday, and they made foods with it for a tasting. So basically, we're just trying to finish up here that way. So before winter comes, everything's already good for the spring.
This is the compost,
Yeah,
yeah?
this is the
Yeah,
compost
I remember this from, we've had this before,
Yeah.
so. All right.
That basically is urban farm at PS 126.